Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. Garden provides much needed fresh air in today pollution filled environment. Garden makes us fit and healthy by providing us a place to practice deep breathing exercise during morning times. Garden helps us in preserving nature and environment by planting various flowers, fruits and vegetables. Garden is the place that helps in the relieving the stress. As with the gardening our mood will take quickly, and garden help in increasing our compassion and love to nature as we grow and nature various kinds of plants during gardening. Garden with flowers is a casual treat as the flowers are pink in color and are great clamber over our fence. Garden helps in bringing sweet fragrance to the house because of the presence of flowers like roses. Gardening is a good for health. Every individual you should own a garden. People generally hire a professional gardener who takes care of the garden on a regular basis. Artificial gardens are prepared by garden designer at various places across the globe to attract people in large number. See the greenery. Greenery is a best way to the garden and gardening to like green spots in the limited part, and garden always surprised with the new bird nests and birds whistling and rodent like squirrels, mangoes, etc. There isn't a single driver patch in my garden thanks to the effort of our gardener and grandfathers. No matter how hot the climate is, my grandfather always be motion. The garden is a place palace of my heart because she is a gardening of a. Thanks for watching.